can go get my laptop. And there it goes. Yo, this thing is so... What's up guys? So today we're gonna be deflashing the E90 M3 to stage 2 but with no burbles. So we're just gonna be getting rid of the burbles. It'll still be stage 2 and it'll still sound good, but just no more burbles, because the burbles were too crazy for me, you know, because I daily this thing, I take it to work, you know, and I'm not trying to be loud and obnoxious, because on low RPMs it would go pop pop pop, like it's too crazy. So I'm gonna do no burbles, still gonna be stage 2, still gonna be a little bit faster, still gonna be loud as hell, but none of those crazy pops. We'll see if it has any OEM burbles, but I don't think so. Yeah, we're gonna do that right now. So first we gotta connect the battery tender, so let me do that real quick. Extension cord. So you guys should know already, the red goes over there where that red thing is, and the black one goes right here. So let me just connect that real quick. Alright, so that's all connected, and I'm connected over here. So as you can see right here, it says charging, so that means it's good. So now that this is all connected, now I can go get my laptop and we can start the tuning process. Let me get my laptop real quick and show you guys how it's done. Alright guys, so we got the laptop here. We got to connect it to a charger to make sure it doesn't die, because can I have nothing go wrong. So the laptop cannot die, the car cannot die, the battery, like nothing can die. No doors can be closed. You gotta have the seat belts all buckled in. These front two I have. Make sure these don't accidentally get moved, because if anything goes wrong, the ECU could get bricked, and that costs a lot to replace, so we don't want to risk it. So have everything all good. Make sure no AC turned on, nothing, doors open, don't close no doors. Have these plugged in, have the laptop plugged in, have your car on a tender, especially if you have like a really old battery. Make sure to have it on a tender. Now that that's all set up, we can get started on the process. Also have good Wi-Fi connection. So right now I have 4 bars, so I'm good, I'm chilling, should be all good. So we're gonna start the tuning process now, and hopefully all goes good. Let's go ahead and connect it to the car. So this goes to the OBD adapter down here. It says OBD right here. Just take this off, and then it should go in like this. Now we plug this in over here, boom, like that. Click next. Now it says everything's all good. Click next, and then you gotta switch to on position, but it's not running, so just enough to where the tire gauge shows. So there you go, you can see the tire gauge now. So click next. Everything's all good. It's identifying the ECU right now, so just gotta wait a little bit. But yeah, the tuning process is does not take that long. Once you already, the first time usually take the longest, because on the first time you have to like back it up. So once you did that, it doesn't take that long to flash it again. So as you can see, it's done here. So click next, and what we're gonna do here is program ECU memory, and we're just gonna go to the one that I just got. So it's stage 2, I think it's this one, stage 2, Servotronics idle velocity max, and there's no burble, so this one, open, and there you go. It's gonna be tuning it now. So it's gonna be a lot of error codes on here, like cruise control, DSC, ton of random shit, but your car's not breaking, it's just tuning, so it's good, just as long as you don't mess with nothing. If you got a lot of friends that like to goof off, you should probably do this alone, because I would not risk it. So right here it says time remaining like 10 minutes, but it's going down. Usually it takes like 5 minutes, so yeah, it should be quick. We're just gonna wait for it to finish tuning. Then after this tuning, I should have no more burbles. Even though it did sound cool, it's just too obnoxious, and sometimes I prefer just hearing me rev up to 8k RPMs with no burbles, you know, so it sounds better with no burbles. All right, so it's about to be done. As you can see, it's almost done. Yeah, it took like 5 minutes. So when it's all done, it should be making some like weird noises, but nothing too crazy. So the screen turned off right here. Check engine. All right, it's back on. So it's about to finish up, and there you go. It's done. It says it's all done. Then turn it off and then press ignition off. Okay, ignition is off. Okay, ECU has been successfully programmed, so all done here. So now you go to diagnostics, clear trouble codes, clear adaptation data. Okay, and then you're all good. Just close it. Now just unplug everything and everything should be all good. Alright, so now it's tuned to stage 2 with no burbles. So the only thing that changed was the burbles, so it should be fine. No more flames, sadly, but you know, I feel a little bit of relief knowing that, you know, I have a less chance of getting pulled over, because California, the cops, bro, they're hella strict. Being able to control it more because there's no burbles, I can choose when I want to be loud and when not, so I feel better this way. But if I ever want to put the flames again for like another video or something, it's pretty quick, just like 5 minutes like you just saw, and then I'll have flames again. So it's not the end of the world. I will always have the flame tune on my laptop right there. So yeah, we should be good now. No flames, no burbles, just pure V8. Hey, just open your ears, buddy. Yo, that's tough. Yo, what's up guys? We're about to go to a car meet. It's 9 right now, so a little bit late, but it's cool. I'm close. We're gonna see if there's any cool cars. If not, I'll probably dip. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. This shit is ass. It's literally just all trucks. Look, trucks, just trucks, bro. Straight up, just trucks. I have not seen a single BMW, bro. Just take a look at this shit, bro. It's just trucks and NPC ass cars. Straight cheeks. This is the worst meet I've ever been to. I feel out of place. There's Infinities, there's Lexus, but I'm not seeing no Beamers. It's Infinity parking next to me, right there. This meet is so ass. I'm about to just dip, bro. I've only seen one BMW, and it's like a 328i, and then one Corvette, but it's a Stingray. Like, and anything else is either just a truck or it's like a Honda. And honestly, I'm not that big fan of Hondas or trucks, so it's just not it for me. What the hell is that
church music. Wow.
Shit's ass. I'm out. I'm out of here, bro. I'm out of here.